You are watching Kit Kabinet, and this is the inbox review of the Arma Hobby Fokker E.V Junior set in 1/72 scale. Okay, so we have a really nice, good looking and promising little kit from Arma Hobby. Okay, maybe I should show a little more. Let's have a look inside. Okay, there's just one sprue in this kit, and it's very small plane, of course. But the detail, everything looks very nice and smooth. And very nicely detailed. The pistons on the engine have very finely ribbed detail, and there's also another version with a PE thread, photo etched thread. That's not this one. This is the Junior set, but even this looks very nice and well detailed. Some interior here, the cockpit floor. Yeah, looking very good. Now, the transparencies. Can you even see this? It's just a very tiny, windscreen from this acetate film. That you get this like 2 indicated on there in case you mess one up. But that's really the only transparency there is. The decal sheet looking very nice. Everything looks very good in register, and the decal film also looks very thin. Now in the other sets there's also some Lozenge camouflage included. That's not in this kit. You have to get the deluxe set for that one. But this one has the decals for some very nice versions. They are also on the back of the box, like here. A German version stationed in Belgium and a Polish version. The color schemes are a bit more detailed in the instructions. This very nice colorful leaflet. And there's something I don't quite get. I've never seen this before. I'm not sure about these mauve bands here, but maybe they're supposed to be there. I don't know. The instructions, your sprue map, your decal sheet, your acetate film, color call outs here. It's all in HTK colors, but there's also like FS codes. A story in Polish and a story in English. And basically your instructions there. Now they have a very nice neat trick here, and that's there are like these spars in between the undercarriage legs to align them properly with this this little jig here, and then when it's mounted and mounted in a stable and correct position, you have to cut this out. And I've never seen this before, and supposedly it should give a well aligned undercarriage, but I can imagine you would have to take care to cut this out very carefully and not break off your newly glued undercarriage. But I trust them. I trust Arma. It looks good. And what's also very nice about this World War I plane, why it's such a nice starter, it has very few rigging lines. So yeah, for getting into World War I planes, this would actually be a very nice starter. So there you have it, a very nice review of a very nice, promising little kit.